Hey, it's Tracy with a Y. I know it's been a long time. I've been very busy. My oldest son got married this past weekend. It was very, very nice, great weather. Anyways, I'm still here just trying to finish up the pool store stuff so I could get back at it and get ready for Christmas. I do want to show you this quick little video. This is Riley's bedroom. My son had just got married. I just basically got new bedding and a new rug. So I went through and did before. It was pretty dusty in there. The bedding was really old. Some of the stuff he's going to be taking with him when he completely moves out. But the bed is staying. So I went to Walmart yesterday and I made sure I gave it extra second or two so you can see what these are named. Everything is from Walmart that I used today. That's a black down comforter, a black throw fur blanket. The sheets were from Walmart also. Those were in the washer as I was recording this. And then the comforter I bought is so nice, and everything's from Walmart. If I can, I'll try to link it, but I did take my time and recorded. You could screenshot those tags and stuff if you can't find them. But those two pillows I just showed, I got them on clearance for $7.50 each. Those were on clearance, and those were my inspiration. So I'm having a little bit of shoulder issues, but once those shoulder issues go away, I'm going to paint this room white with a black accent wall. The walls now are kind of cream colored. I love that rug. See, this stuff here, Riley will be taking it to his house. I think I'm going to get black curtains because I'm going to paint the walls white, and I think I'm going to try to do a black accent wall. Anyways, it turned out really, really cute. It just gave it a little freshening up. But I love it. And the bed is so cozy. Like, I couldn't stop looking at it. Isn't it pretty? And I think I'm going to order one of the waffle knit print black blankets to drape across versus that fur one because it was kind of shorter. But anyways, here's my end result. Everything was from Walmart, including the rug and the sheets. And I will try to link them if possible. But like I said, I did take my time on the scan tag so you could just pause it and take a screenshot. Anyways, I absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. I'll be seeing you soon. You'll probably be sick of me by December. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. See you in the next one. Bye.